A wooden raft is a simple watercraft made primarily from wood. Rafts have been used for thousands of years for transportation, fishing, and various other purposes. While there isn't a single standard design for a wooden raft, they typically consist of logs or planks of wood lashed together to create a floating platform. Here are some key characteristics and uses of wooden rafts. Materials. The most basic wooden rafts are constructed using logs or planks of wood, which are either bound together with ropes, twine, or vines or lashed to a frame made from wooden beams. More advanced versions may incorporate additional materials, such as barrels or drums for added buoyancy. Buoyancy. Wooden rafts are buoyant and can support the weight of people and cargo. The choice of materials and construction methods affects the raft's buoyancy and weight-carrying capacity. Uses. Wooden rafts have been used for various purposes, including transportation across bodies of water, especially in regions with limited access to more advanced watercraft. They are also used for fishing, as platforms for aquaculture, and even for recreational purposes such as rafting or camping. History. Wooden rafts have a long history and have been used by many cultures throughout the world. They were a simple and effective way to navigate rivers and lakes. In some cases, rafts were used for long-distance journeys, carrying people and goods. Modern variations. While traditional wooden rafts are still in use in some regions, modern versions often incorporate additional materials and technologies, such as flotation devices, motors, and other equipment for specific purposes like waterborne construction or river tourism. Environmental considerations. The use of wooden rafts has some environmental advantages compared to motorized watercraft, as they are typically non-polluting and have a lower environmental impact. However, the sustainability of using wood from forests for raft construction should be taken into account to ensure responsible resource management. Rafting adventures. In more recreational contexts, whitewater rafting has become a popular outdoor activity, where specially designed inflatable rafts are used to navigate fast-flowing rivers and provide thrilling experiences for participants. The design and construction of a wooden raft can vary widely depending on its intended use and the available materials. Whether used for practical transportation or as part of an adventure, wooden rafts continue to be a part of human culture and history, symbolizing our connection with and reliance on waterways for various purposes.